Hey and welcome into this new video. It's been a while I haven't shared a sweet recipe, so today I'm sharing my salty chocolate date caramel. So please guys, don't forget to like and subscribe. Recipe require really simple ingredients, so around 1 cup of dates, 1 tablespoon of tahini or almond butter, half of a teaspoon of vanilla extract, 1 to 2 tablespoons of warm water. It's gonna help for the blending. 1 to 2 tablespoons of almond flour, some salt, and around 120 grams of dark chocolate. So in my food processor, I'm adding my dates, my tablespoon of tahini. You can use almond butter, cashew butter, any nut butter you want. Some vanilla extract, a half of a teaspoon, and 1 to 2 tablespoons of warm water, and a pinch of salt to taste. And now it's time to blend everything together. So you blend for 3 to 5 minutes. You really want a smooth, creamy consistency. Once you blend everything together, you adding your almond flour and you blend it once again. So I show you guys how it looks after the blending in the food processor. It looks just like this. You need to get a creamy paste consistency. This is our date caramel. I also get another caramel recipe in one of my books, so please guys go and check. So in a loaf pan, I put some parchment paper and I pour my date caramel paste on top. And now I spray everything evenly. I really take my time for this part. This is how it looks like, and now it's going in the freezer for 1 hour. While everything was in the freezer, I melt my dark chocolate. So you want a creamy chocolate sauce to dip your caramel dates on it. So here is my date after 1 hour in the freezer. So I'm just gonna remove it out of the loaf pan. It's okay if it's still a little bit sticky. This is how the caramel is supposed to look like. And then now I just gonna slice them into square shapes. So I'm gonna have around 12 to 14 square. Now that everything is into square, I'm just gonna dip them into the chocolate. So with my fork, I'm gonna take 1 square at a time, dip it into the warm chocolate. And then I'm just gonna put it on the side. Just chocolate to get more solid, to get more hard. So I will do the same with all the squares. Just put it into the chocolate, dip it on it, and then put it on the side until the chocolate get hard. This part takes a little bit of time, so please don't rush and take your time. So once I get all my square dip into chocolate, I'm adding a little bit of salt on top to make it salty, and I'm just gonna leave it until it get hard. And here is the final result. You can put it in the fridge or just leave it out. It's gonna get harder anyway. And that's the perfect healthy recipe that you can enjoy for a tea time after dinner. You can have it as a snack if you want. It's easy, clean ingredients. It doesn't have any refined sugar, doesn't have gluten or anything like that. So please, if you do like this recipe, don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'm gonna see you guys again for a next video. Bye.